Klaxoon is a platform of collaborative tools that allow you to revolutionize your working methods. You have a project to launch, a workshop to facilitate, a team to train. There's an activity for every need. Collaborate visually. Centralize and share all types of information, documents, and files in a secure and safe way. Look deeper into topics and structure your thinking. Ask voting questions, poll questions, etc. directly on the ideas. Get feedback and make decisions faster, even with people who are not present. Whether you're in the office or working remotely on any device, manage, improve, and secure your next steps of your projects. Facilitate collaborative workshops, synchronize and align your team. To get started quickly, use the template library and create your own. With Network, build on the content already created and share best practices on a large scale. So whether you're a team manager, a project manager, an agile coach, a trainer, whatever your job and the size of your team, Klaxoon is made for you. And if you're the one managing large-scale deployments, use the console to efficiently manage and administer your company's accounts.